everyone, my name is Tammy and my channel is Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator. I want to show you how you can make some cards real quick without having to actually stamp, for those of you that may not be good with stamping. This is a Stampin' Up product that came out in the annual catalog that we got out a while back, and this is called Flowers for Every Season, More Memories and More Cards and Envelopes. Okay, and they look like this. You can mix and match these or keep them together just in the colors. They come in all the new annual colors. Got all the, like I said, the cards and the envelopes. And then there's the, I'll show you the pack, the Flowers for Every Season, Memories and More card pack. Okay, and those look like, excuse me, like this. They come in two different sizes and they're double-sided. Okay, and those fit on these very nicely, just to make a real quick card. You can do them so many different ways, and then you also get these cute little stickers. There's another pack over here, and you can just make real quick simple cards that look just fantastic. Like, see, this would go on there. You could leave it just like that. You could flip it over and you could just hand write something on there, or you could stamp something on there from a stamp set if you wanted. You could add that on there, so even that looks good like that. Or if you wanted the green one, or you could, you know, flip it over. Like I said, here is the green card base. Here you go. Or like that. I mean, see, there are so many different ways you could do these. Same with, here's the bigger ones. So then you could add a bigger one there. And then a small one. Or you could cut these words out. Here's one with a whole bunch of words you could cut out. There's one that size. And then you could put words on. I mean, there's a whole bunch of things you could do. Let's see. And then, of course, that's all decorated for you. The envelopes. Here's one right here. And then you can let your just imagination go. That's a card right there, ready to go. You could put it on that color. You could put it on the green if you wanted. You could put it on any color that you feel like. Now, if you wanted to get a little bit fancier, you could get a circle die cut that would fit that, and then cut the circle out, and then get some, and then pop that up a little bit, and then make it a little bit fancier. I mean, just let your imagination go. So there's all kinds of ways to do these. I just wanted to show you these because I've had these since I bought these when the annual catalog came out, and I've just really never showed y'all what to do with these. And I thought I'd better show you some of these. I hear all the time people say, well, I'm not really a stamper. I don't know how to stamp. I mean, that looks even good on the yellow. Or the bumblebee. It's not really yellow, it's bumblebee. So I really just wanted to show y'all how pretty these are. And, you know, Christmas is over. There were some of these in Christmas, and I think I made a couple, but I know Valentine's is coming up, and I'm probably going to use some. I've already pulled out some that I could use for Valentine's, and I'm probably going to be doing some for Valentine's. All of these I think would make great Valentine's right here. So y'all make sure and stay tuned and keep watching. If you're not a subscriber yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell and make sure you click it where it says all notifications, and that way YouTube will notify you when I put up a new video, and you'll be able to be notified on my new videos. And then make sure when you see my videos, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment. Just, you know, say that you enjoyed the video, say hello. You know, any nice little comment would help my channel out a lot, and get me on that algorithm and all that. And then sharing, that helps out too. And then come back and watch more videos. So yeah, I'll be watching out for that. And I will be showing y'all some actual cards with these. Okay, some Valentine's and then some spring cards, probably with these, because I haven't done a whole lot with these, but I want to try and show y'all some. I think these are pretty. Look at that. I remember I did just a couple when they first came out, but I really didn't do very many, so I want to show y'all some, especially for those that don't do a lot of stamping, because you can even just cut these, words out, and you really don't have to stamp at all if you cut these out, for those that don't do any stamping. And you don't have to do any stamping if you don't want, or very minimum. So yeah, make sure you come back and watch and see what I do. I've got a few things planned for you. And then, like I said, there's cute little stickers. Show you how to use some of those, incorporate those in some of these. And then if you get these make it real simple. You don't even have to buy any cardstock and cut those to make those into cards. I know some people might have trouble trying to figure that out. These are already ready to go for you, so that makes it real simple, and then matched up, and then you've got the envelopes that match. So if you buy the pre-made cards and envelopes, you're all set. And they also have these in white, and the Whisper White, and the some other colors as well. So you can check those out too if you don't want just the in colors. So I can't wait to show y'all those, and I will be seeing y'all soon, I hope, on those cards and projects. So I thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a very blessed day, and I'll see you soon.